and I kept going. As I kept going, they were still behind me. They wasn't behind me, but then they flashed their lights again. I was already by the street where I got hit at. As me still going, it's no stop signs there. So as me still, no, it was, I stopped, and then I kept going. And then the white car was not supposed to come out as me going. So the white car hit me, and that's when I lost control of the car, and I grabbed the car back and pressed on the brakes. If I didn't, I would not be here right now. I would have hit the pole. So
Did you make a complete stop at that stop sign before you kept going?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes.
A routine shift takes a chaotic turn when a hit-and-run collision unfolds directly in front of an officer's patrol car. The immediate aftermath is a scene of confusion and potential injury, as the officer must simultaneously render aid to a victim and process the brazenness of a driver who fled without hesitation. What began as a simple traffic incident is about to escalate into a multi-felony arrest, all stemming from a single panicked decision.
Black female driver, younger. I'm out with the other driver. He's advising so far no injuries, but there is airbag deployment. Maylee and Caroline. I've got rescue coming for you just to take a look at you and make sure you're okay, all right? You just getting off of work?
Yeah.
Heading home, huh?
Yeah.
Didn't even stop at the stop sign. Didn't? Who? Did somebody else get hit? Yeah, he's good, I think. Did you get hit? Okay. You want to get out or you want to chill where you're at? It's up to you.
I need to just chill real quick.
Yep, you're good. You're good, man. Take your time. Did you happen to get a look at the driver of that vehicle at all? Yeah, I didn't think so.
All I seen was a car not stopping.
3X 81 Central, I'll be switching to admin. Go for it. Is the car registered? Is this car registered to you? It's your car?
Yeah, it's my car.
3X 81 Central.
Standby.
All right, so real quick before I get you your case number and everything, you want to press charges for the hit and run? Yeah. Okay, we have a female up the street detained that I'm going to go and identify because I saw her driving. If it's her, she's going to go to jail, okay?
Yeah.
So just raise your right hand for me. You swear that everything in the statement you're about to give is true to the best of your ability?
Yes, sir.
And you understand that filing a false report in Florida is a criminal offense and you can be charged for doing so?
Yes.
Okay, state your name and today's date.
Juan Marty, 4/1/22.
Yep. And what happened today?
I got in an accident, hit and run.
Okay. Did you see the vehicle?
Yes.
What color was the vehicle?
Tannish brown?
Did you see the driver at all?
No.
And did the vehicle stop and check on injuries?
No.
Did they attempt to exchange information with you or call the police for a report? Do you want to press charges for the hit and run?
Yes.
Perfect. Let me get you a case number and I'll get you out of here. The record will be here in just a second. Hey, Russo's got one detained. Apparently she admitted to being the driver. I'm going to go up there and take a look at her. If you just want to wait for Wrecker, I'm going to grab him his case number and then he's good.
You driving this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Turn around, put your hands on your back.
Yes,
Turn around, put your hands on your back.
A short distance from the crash scene, another officer has detained a female driver, Alexis. Her initial reaction is a mix of agitation and deflection, claiming she was the one who was hit. This immediate attempt to reframe the narrative is a common psychological response born from panic and the knowledge of her own culpability, in this case driving without a license.
Guilt. I asked her if she was driving. She said yes. Somebody hit and ran her, and she took off.
Can I get up on the call, sister?
Yeah.
This is my little cousin.
Female for a search.
I gotta call
chance.
Carol.
600 Speedway.
Somebody gotta come and get me.
They'll come. Let me see your phone.
Are you okay? Are you injured?
Yes.
Why did you flee the scene?
Cause I was
What's your
scared,
name? What's your name
sir.
first? Talk to me real quick, all right? I'm sorry for doing that to you right now, but I have to put you in handcuffs. But listen to me.
Okay,
What's
my
your
name
first
is
name?
Alexis.
All right,
Quarterman.
listen to me real quick, all right? Alexis, you have the right to remain silent.
this
Anything you
is-
say may be used evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney or have him or her with you now or anytime you're in question. If you cannot afford it, the attorney won't be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking or have an attorney present, I'll question him to stop your request. You understand your rights? Okay. Explain to me why you ran
Okay.
or why you
I
drove
was
away.
coming out, so when I drove out,
Once under arrest and read her, Miranda writes, Alexis's story begins to unravel. She admits to seeing the police lights and panicking because she had no valid license. Her explanation is disjointed in an attempt to rationalize her decision to flee by claiming the officer's lights turned off. It's a textbook example of a suspect trying to minimize their actions, but her words betray a clear
To
consciousness
the side of the
guilt.
car, you can see I didn't hit
I can
them.
see that.
I didn't hit them at all, sir. If I hit them, my front thing, their front thing would have been messed up. My whole side is messed up from the tire.
Do you have ID in your purse?
Yes.
Can I grab it?
Yes. And I came here because the car was making a bad noise. You get what I'm
You
saying?
should have stopped.
You're correct. But like, will I get a bond?
What?
Will I get a bond? How much?
I don't know what your charges are right now. You might have a fleeing charge.
Your mama
Come here. Come lean against the car for me. Relax, all right? It's an accident, okay?
Okay. You just do what you gotta do.
Nothing in the car, guns, drugs, weapons, anything like that. Just be honest now, because we're gonna look through it. Do you have anything in there you're worried about? No?
That's what this is for.
So, you saw the cop lights, and you got nervous because you didn't have a license?
No, I saw the cop. Like, I went out as the police was coming in. It was for them to stop. I was already at a stop sign, so it's my goal.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Right there by you finna go to Soul City. I'm straight. The police is coming to their stop sign. I'm already at the stop sign. It's
Okay.
my go to go. So I went. The police hit the lights. I stopped. I kept going, but they turned their lights off, and I kept going. As I kept going, they were still behind me. They wasn't behind me, but then they flashed their lights again. I was already by the street where I got hit at. As me still going, it's no stop signs there. So as me still, no, it was. I stopped, and then I kept going. And then the white car was not supposed to come out as me going. So the white car hit me, and that's when I lost control of the car, and I grabbed the car back and pressed on the brakes. If I didn't, I would not be here right now. I would have hit the pole. So
Did you make a complete stop at that stop sign before
Yes.
you kept going?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes, I did. I made a complete stop sign at the stop sign. It was my go to go.
Okay.
I don't see how.
We're gonna figure it out.
Well, I'm leaving now, but I feel bad because she pulled in and she did tell us to call the police because somebody hit her,
Okay.
and she was scared.
Okay.
A crucial piece of context emerges from a bystander who confirms that the suspect did in fact stop nearby and ask for someone to call the police because somebody hit her. It's plausible that after the initial flight, a moment of regret or the realization of her car's condition set in. However, this action was too little too late. Under Florida law, her failure to remain at the scene of the crash had already determined her legal standing.
Took off. Then you blew the stop sign when you turned eastbound on Maley and crashed into that poor guy on his way home from work, and you kept on driving.
Here the situation takes a dramatic turn. The primary officer reveals he wasn't just responding to the crash. He was the one she fled from in the first place. He provides a direct first-hand account she pulled out in front of him, ignored his lights, ran a stop sign, and caused the very collision he witnessed. This direct accusation dismantles her entire defense.
That's the violation, and I would have sent you on your way. But you didn't stop, then you ran a stop sign and almost killed that guy. His car is totaled, and so is yours probably.
Oil?
Yeah.
Slipping all over the place.
Whatever the hell that is.
Can I tow this car back to the house?
Do you have yeah, if you guys want to use your own tow company, I'm okay with that.
I can call Buddy.
Normally, if it's a hit and run, we tow it to our record because it gets held for the investigation. But she's been identified as the driver because I watched her do it.
I just
So,
went out of town. I was going to see my grandbaby.
is it registered to you or it's registered to her?
Actually, it's registered to my mother-in-law.
Okay.
Me
No
and
driver's
my
license?
wife,
Okay.
But the car belongs to me.
Okay, that's fine. I'm okay with that.
Alright.
Just because she's been identified, there are no major injuries. I'll let you guys take it.
What kind of bond am I looking at?
Let's see.
My
She's
daughter
going to
out.
be charged with aggravated fleeing and eluding,
Yes, sir.
hit and run with injury, and driving without a license.
The officer calmly lays out the severe legal jeopardy. The driver now faces aggravated fleeing and eluding, hit and run with injury, and driving without a license. What's crucial to note is the stark contrast he paints. A minor traffic violation, which he likely would have resolved with a simple warning, has now snowballed into multiple felonies with a potential bond exceeding $10,000.
To her.
That's my daughter.
Okay. Do you want to take her property?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna check it real quick just to make sure there's nothing illegal in it because she is in custody, and then I'll let you.
You want me to keep it charged at the end? And got his paid.
She almost killed that guy. His car is totaled.
All his cars.
Completely
They almost killed me.
No, you ran the stop sign. Okay. I understand that he hit your car, but you have to stop and yield to oncoming traffic.
That come from the car?
When you're crossing
oil?
another
Gotta be.
street,
It's like,
yeah, when you're crossing another street, you have to stop and wait for oncoming traffic. Not to mention, honestly, your biggest concern right now is the fleeing.
The interaction shifts from enforcement to education. The officer methodically explains that the decision to flee was the critical error that transformed the entire event. He clarifies her legal duty under state law to stop after an accident regardless of who is at fault. This dialogue serves not only to inform the suspect and her family, but also to underscore a key principle of traffic law for the viewer.
Ticket for driving.
yeah.
I just had her pull over.
Y'all know, Lena, there's so much going on. Look at what happened yesterday.
But when she
I
takes
wait for
off,
that.
But see, I didn't know all the rest of that.
when she takes off and then
But I
crashes
told
into
him he
somebody,
wasn't gonna go to jail for no
they're in there,
driving
my
with
hands
no
are tied, and
license.
he wants to press charges for the hit and run as well. So, like, if for future reference, let's say you did stop at the stop sign. Let's say the fleeing, all that stuff, forget about it. Let's say you were just driving home, you stop at a stop sign, somebody hits you. Even if it's their fault, if you take off, you're still going to get charged for the hit and run. You still have a duty in the state of Florida to stop and make sure that there's no injuries and exchange information profile, even if you're not at home.
We'll get you some numbers. Give me a second. Can you unlock it? Thank you. And you had some money in your pocket, so I'm going to count it really quick.
As the officer begins the administrative process of cataloging her belongings, the reality of the situation sets in. The conversation turns to practical matters like phone calls and bail money. The suspect's brief panicked flight has concluded not with a simple ticket, but with the sounds of handcuffs and the start of a serious legal battle. This action ultimately sealed her fate.
Yes, the injured one.
So you have $429, and you want $40 out of your purse? Is it in a wallet?
No, it's just
In there? Okay. All right, get in the car and I'll get it for you. Watch your foot.